Hello and welcome back to another session in mathematics. In this session we'll be looking at binary numbers, that is base 2 numbers. But before we go ahead, let us take a look at what we did in our previous class. Welcome back. The objective of this lesson is to teach us addition of numbers in base 2 and also subtraction of numbers in base 2, to teach us how to add numbers in base 2 and also subtract numbers in what? Base 2. Okay, that's the essence of this class today. So let's kick off. We start with addition of numbers in base 2. Addition of numbers in base 2. Let's take some examples, but before we go there, I want you to understand that in addition, that 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0 0. Let me prove it. Okay, we know how we got 1 and 1. Then 1 0 in base 2 is equal to what? 2. How correct is that? This is 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us what? 1 remainder 0. Is that correct? And then 1 divided by 2 will give us 0 remainder 1. And when we pick our answer, we have what? 1 0 in base 2. Is that correct? So 2 is equal to 1 0. That's how we got this. Then for 3, 1 1 is 3. This is 3 divided by 2. 1 remainder 1, and 1 divided by 2 give us 0 remainder 1. Pick your answer. This we have what? 1 1. So that's how we got this 1 1. Okay, for 4 we have 4 divided by 2 to give us 2 remainder 0, sorry. And then 2 divided by 2 will give us what? 1 remainder 0. And 1 divided by 2 will give us 0 remainder what? 1. When we pick our answer this way, we have 1 0 0 base 2, and that's how we got this. So here 4 is equal to 1 0 0, 3 is equal to 1 1, and 2 is equal to 1 0 under what? Base 2. So let's quickly take some examples here. Assuming we are given 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 for us to add to the number 1 1 1 1. Okay, all we do here is to bring them in this form: 1 1 0 1 1 added to 1 1 1 1. Then you write your addition sign. Okay, 1 plus 1 is what? 1 0. You write 0 and carry 1. Add the 1 here, it becomes 1 0. Add it here, it becomes what? 3, which is 1 1. You write 1 and carry what? 1. Add it here, it becomes what? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2, which is what? 1 0. You write 0 and carry 1. And then add the 1 here, it becomes what? 2 plus this 3, which is also what? 1 1. You write 1 and carry 1, and add it here, it becomes what? 2, and 2 is equal to what? 1 0. And that is all. As simple as that. Okay, example number 2, we have 1 1 0 1 1 1 plus 1 1 0 1 1 plus 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, let us start. We have 1 1 0 1 1 1. Then for this we have 1 1 0 1 1. This we have 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, and then we are adding. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Is that correct? And 3 is equal to what? 1 1. So we write 1 and carry 1. Add it here, it becomes what? 2 plus this 3 plus this, we have what? 4. And 4 is equal to what? 1 0 0. So we write 0 and carry what? 1 0. Okay, this is 1 plus this 2. 2 plus 1 0, which is 2 also, is equal to what? 4. So you write 0 still and carry 1 0. Okay, then this is 1 plus 1 0, that will give us what? 1 1. And then we write 1 and carry 1. This is 1 2 3 plus this 1 here, we have what? 4. We write 0 and carry what? 1. And then add the 1 0 to 1, you have what? 3, which is what? 1 1. Is that correct? So we have our answer to be equal to 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, all in base 2. Okay, as simple as that. So let's go over to subtraction of numbers in base 2. How to subtract numbers in base 2. Now under subtraction, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, and then 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, and 1 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 0. 1 0 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 1. Okay, hope you're following. Okay, so let's take some examples. Number 1, we have 1 1 0 1 0 minus 1 1 1 1, all in base 2. So let's start. Okay, 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 minus 0 minus 1 will not work. We carry 1 here and add it here, it becomes 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 will give us 1. We are left with 0 here, so borrow 1 here and add it here, it becomes what? 1 0. And then when we borrow 1 here and add it here, here remains what? 1. And then we have 1 0, and 1 0 minus 1 will give us 1. Here we are left with what? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and here we are left with what? 0. So we borrow this 1 here and add it here, it becomes what? 1 0. And then 1 0 minus 1 will give us what? 1. So we have 1 0 1 1 as our answer. Okay, example number 2, we are given 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 1 1, all in base 2. So we have 1 0 0 0 1, have 1 1 1 1. Okay, let's start. 1 minus 1 is what? It's 0. Is that correct? Yeah. And this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So we cannot borrow from here. Apart from here, we borrow 1 and add it here, it becomes what? 1 0. And when we borrow 1 from 1 0, we are left with 1. We add the 1 here, it becomes 1 0. Borrow 1 from here again, we are left with 1. Add it here, it becomes what? 1 0. And 1 0 minus 1 will give us what? 1. This is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and here we have 0. So our answer is then equal to what? 1 0 base 2. Okay, so to refresh our memory on what we've been doing so far, I want you to take the test on the screen. Welcome back. We'll call it a day here. So far we've been able to cover addition and subtraction of number system under base 2, and in our next class we'll go over to division and multiplication of base 2 numbers. So do well to use the lesson notes on the platform for better information on the topic we've discussed so far, and feel free to drop your question on the comment section where you encounter any challenge. So till we meet in our next class, stay safe and bye.